Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you a puzzle. The puzzle is about the ant and the elephant. So for this, you need to get into the imagination. So I'm going to take you all into the world of imagination. So for this, you need to sit back, plug in your earphones and close your eyes and ready. Get ready to escape into your imaginations. So now close your eyes and imagine there's a forest. Imagine the trees around. They are all green. In that you find elephant and ant. The elephant is so huge. The ant is so small. Both of them became friends, walking together. Imagine they both are walking on a road. Beside of them, there are trees in the forest full of green. So now the ant said, "Let's play hide and seek." Then the elephant said, "Okay, let's play the hide and seek. I'll go hide, you count the numbers," said the elephant. Now the ant went back to the tree. Imagine it has closed its eyes and counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on up to 50. Now the elephant went and hid behind the tree. Now the ant finished counting 50 numbers and came out and started searching here and there. Now behind the tree we can find the elephant from both the sides because it's so huge. Now the ant found the elephant and went and started dancing. Imagine the ant started dancing like, "I found you." Like it's dancing, singing and dancing. "I found you, I found you." Now it said, the ant said, "Now it's your turn, elephant." Now the elephant went and started counting 1, 2, 3, and so on up to 50. Now the ant went and hid in a temple. Now the elephant came out and started searching for the ant, but it couldn't find anywhere. So it remembered that I need to search the whole forest. The forest is such a huge big. So it started searching for the ant. Now finally it got the ant in the temple. Now the question here is, how did the elephant know that the ant was inside the temple? So hope you all will answer. Please drop down your answers in the comment box. I'll let you know the answer by evening. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button if you like the video. Thank you so much.